We are making a paper caterpillar. We have chosen red and green because they are the best colours for a caterpillar, but you can choose any colours that you like. Your caterpillar can be a rainbow caterpillar if you like. So we cut up loads of strips of green paper and one strip of red paper. And we're going to glue with some super glue our red piece of paper into a little loop, like so. Then we're going to take our green strips of paper and we're going to take one and we're going to loop it around the red, like so. And stick it down with some green super glue. Careful, it's going to get sticky. And we're going to add some more green and loop it round like so and stick it down. And we're going to keep doing this with all our bits of green paper. We're going to loop them round and stick them down. Just loop and stick and keep going. Do you see how we're doing it? You can already see our caterpillar taking shape. Look at that. Perfect. We've got some googly eyes, and with some super glue we're going to glue them to the red piece of paper. Look at that! It already looks like a caterpillar. And now we're going to draw on a lovely smile. Perfect, and there you have it, a paper caterpillar. You can draw any kind of facial expressions on there you want, and if you don't have any googly eyes, you could draw on your googly eyes. Oh, we've got a final touch. We've got some scissors here, so remember to ask for permission before you use scissors and get someone to guide you. With a little bit of super glue, I'm going to stick right on top, just above the eyes, like so. Perfect. Now it's your turn. Show us what you've got. Show us what you can do. We would love to see your caterpillars. Time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Gabriella. Gabriella has drawn a picture of a woman wearing a baseball cap. It looks amazing. I love the long hair. Well done, Gabriella. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!